Act as best scriptwrite and change the script so it won't match with original one. Make it spin the content. And remove any channel name if there. Write the description of around 8,000 words. Remove timestamps. 35. Asus ROG Ally 2. Major leaks. Full specs and release date unveiled. YouTube https://youtube.com/jackwatch.b LDH59GG Key0ETWE transcript 0,0. Today, we're diving deep into the latest leaks surrounding the highly anticipated Asus ROG Ally 2, exploring its specs, design, and the much-discussed potential release date. If you're a fan of portable gaming tech, powerful handhelds, and Xbox integration, then this breakdown is perfect for you. Let's jump right in. For several months, now rumors have been swirling about Asus developing the ROG Ally 2, the next generation of their popular handheld gaming device. While Asus has been tight-lipped, recent findings have finally started to shed light on what we can expect from ROG 34, this device. The biggest hints come from an FCC filing uncovered by tech insiders revealing two distinct versions of the device. This is exciting news for fans because it confirms the existence of not just one, but two variants aimed at different audiences. One model sports a sleek white chassis which closely resembles the design, language of the original ROG Ally. The other stands out with a matte black finish rumored to be the result of a strategic collaboration between Asus and Microsoft Xbox. This partnership seems poised to bring Xbox integration directly into ROG 110. The handheld experience, possibly blending PC and console gaming in one compact device. Let's talk about the black Xbox branded model. First, what catches your eye immediately is a dedicated Xbox button situated on the upper left of the device. Upon closer inspection, this button features an engraved Xbox logo, which strongly suggests this device will have deep Xbox ecosystem compatibility. The familiar Xbox face buttons, YX A and B, are present in their traditional green, red, blue, and yellow colors echoing the classic Xbox controller layout. This design clearly, ROG 148, targets gamers who enjoy Xbox Game Pass cloud gaming and Xbox Live services. Interestingly, the button layout on both models largely mirrors the previous ROG Ally, maintaining Asus's signature ergonomic approach, but now layered with Microsoft's branding and software integration. The white ROG Ally 2 model, meanwhile, features a similar button configuration, but with a blacked-out button where the Xbox button would be on the other model. Its exact purpose remains a mystery. It could be reprogrammable or serve a completely different function, tailored to Asus's standalone ROG 222 handheld experience. From a design perspective, the white ROG Ally 2 shows a noticeable evolution. The body now includes controller-style ergonomic grips on either side, which is a smart move considering feedback on the original models. Many users reported that the first ROG Ally and ROG Ally X felt too slippery or lacked sufficient grip. Especially during extended gaming sessions, Asus appears to have listened closely to this criticism, aiming to enhance comfort and handling with these new, bulkier grips. While this design makes the device look a bit chunkier, the improved ergonomics, 0258, could be a game-changer for long-term usability and comfort. On the display front, both models feature a 7-inch screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, maintaining the same size and smoothness as the previous generation. This high refresh rate is excellent for fast-paced gaming, ensuring fluid visuals and responsiveness. A must-have for competitive and AAA gaming titles on the go. Hardware-wise, the two versions differ quite a bit. Under the hood, the Xbox-branded black model packs a 64GB LPDDR5X8533 MHz RAM, paired with a powerful 8-core Ryzen Z2 Extreme processor. This combination promises a 0339 significant leap in raw power, capable of handling the most demanding, modern AAA games and cloud streaming scenarios without breaking a sweat. The White ROG Ally 2 model is expected to come with an AMD Earth Plus quad-core processor, which should still offer solid performance, but is geared more toward budget-conscious gamers or those who want a more traditional Asus handheld experience. Details about the RAM for this version haven't been fully revealed yet, but we anticipate a configuration suitable for smooth gameplay and multitasking. Now, when can we expect these devices, or 413, to hit the market, while Asus hasn't provided an official release date? Several upcoming tech events could serve as the perfect stage for announcements. The Microsoft Build Developer Conference taking place later this month is one to watch, as is Competitex on May 20th, a major hub for PC hardware reveals. Following that, the Xbox Game Showcase on June 8th might also be the perfect venue for unveiling the Xbox-branded handheld, given that FCC approvals usually precede commercial launches by just a few months. It's very likely we'll see the ROG Ally 2 in the wild very soon. Gamers and Tech 0449 enthusiasts alike are eagerly awaiting official word, and these leaks have only fueled excitement further. The strategic decision to release two separate models indicates Asus's broader plan to cater to both PC and console gaming communities. The White ROG Ally 2 seems designed for those who prefer a pure Asus handheld experience, focusing on gaming flexibility and comfort. Meanwhile, the Xbox integrated black model targets Xbox fans who want seamless access to Game Pass, Xbox Cloud Gaming, and 0520 Xbox Live, right from a powerful portable device with upgraded processors, enhanced ergonomics, and Xbox ecosystem features. Asus is clearly gearing up for a strong comeback in the handheld gaming market. This bold move might shake up the portable gaming landscape, challenging competitors like the Steam Deck and Nintendo Switch with fresh tech and new capabilities. To sum up, the Asus ROG Ally 2 leaks reveal promising upgrades. Two distinct models, a white ROG Ally 2 and a black Xbox-branded variant, dedicated Xbox button and Microsoft branding on. The black model, ergonomic 0557 controller style, grips improving handling. 7 and 120 Hz high refresh display on both powerful Ryzen Z2 Extreme processor with 64 GB LPDDR5X RAM in the Xbox model, AMD Earth Plus quad-core CPU in the white model. Potential release aligned with major tech events in May and June. Stay tuned for more updates as we track these developments closely. If you're passionate about portable gaming consoles, Xbox integration, and gaming hardware leaks, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell here on Technology in the Future. We'll keep bringing you all the latest ROG 635 news specs and hands-on impressions as they unfold. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.